2 laps of a running track located next to here, and now I'm going to go into a double under workout where I will be doing 100 double unders, but I'm going to break them down into sets of 10, and I'm going to do them with the boxer skip. So I'll begin with the boxer skip for a minute or so, and then I'll go into 10 double unders, and then I'll go back to the boxer skip. I'll use the boxer skip for a recovery move, just to kind of slow down my breathing, relax before going into another set of double unders, and I'll do this until I hit 100 double unders. So if you're able to do double unders, you can do something very similar. Maybe do sets of 10 and combine them with a lower intensity jump rope move just to recover before doing another set of 10. Or if you can't do double unders, you can do another jump rope move, which you can do. So combine a more intense move with a less intense move. So here goes. Beginning with the boxer skip. So I'll do the boxer skip for a minute or so before going into a set of double unders. Using a basic PVC jump rope right now, a 5mm jump rope. This one is made by Elite SRS, an American company which sells quite durable and relatively cheap jump ropes. Staying light on my feet, not hitting the ground hard with my feet, jumping low off the ground. Okay, so I'll go into my first set of double unders, going for 10 double unders. Okay, first set of double unders for the day as well. Back to the boxer skip just to loosen up. I'll do this moving backwards. Forwards. If you have space, great to make use of it when you jump rope. I love jumping rope backwards, side to side, diagonally, working your body in all different ways. Second set of double unders coming up. Okay, so that's 20. Third set of double unders coming up. So using the boxer skip here as like a recovery move between the double unders. A more intense move with a less intense move. Fourth set of double unders coming up. Good job, everyone. So you can follow along with this type of workout. Do maybe 10 reps of a particular move, a more intense jump rope move, and combine that with a less intense move. And try to take little rest. So I'm using the boxer skip for recovery. Fifth set of double unders coming up. You can do a workout like this, setting your timer. Okay, we got set number 6 of the double unders coming up. Doing 10 sets of 10. So as I was saying, you could use a timer for this type of workout. So maybe set your timer for a minute or 2 minutes, and then every 2 minutes do 10 repetitions of double unders. Or you can just go by feel as I'm doing now, having fun with it. Do 10 double unders, then going into the boxer skip for a short period before doing another set of 10 double unders. Quite breezy today. Okay, we got set number 7 of double unders coming up. Fantastic, 3 more sets. Sometimes the wind slows the spinning of the rope. Just have to make small adjustments. Okay, set number 8 coming up. Two more sets. Okay, set number 9 coming up. The rope got stuck in my jacket there momentarily. Just had to spin it a little harder to get it out. We got a final set coming up in about 30 seconds. Do the boxer skip here, together with double unders. 100 double unders. We have 90 done so far. We're going to do our final 10 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Throw in one more there for good measure. So there, that's a nice way to begin today's jump rope session with 100 double unders combined or broken down into sets of 10. So 10 double unders in each set combined with a lower intensity jump rope move. In this case, the boxer skip, and because I had this space available, I moved around a little bit as I was jumping rope. Really fun way to start today's session. So you can do something similar. Combine a more intense jump rope move with a less intense jump rope move, and you can do it by feel as I was doing here, or you could set your timer.